In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp assembly on this Honda Civic. This will be located mounted to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your trunk open. We need to gain access behind that tail lamp assembly. To do that, you're going to find that you have a couple push clips. To remove your push clips, generally you just pull out on the center aspect, and once you have that released, it should be unlocked and you can fully remove it. Give it a quick inspection, make sure it is still reusable, and set it aside. We'll find a second one up in this area. Same process, remove the center, with it unlocked, go ahead and remove it from the vehicle. Now we can take hold of this and pull it aside. Now with that out of the way, we have a clear look at the backside here. You're going to find that you have 4 wiring harnesses leading to this. Let's start disconnecting all of them. On each one of them, you'll find that you have a small push tab that you can either use your finger or a small screwdriver, press it in to unlock it, and remove the wiring from the backside. Once you have it removed, give it a quick check for corrosion, set it aside, and do the same to every other wiring harness. With all the wiring disconnected, we can move along to our 4 8mm headed mounting nuts. At this point, you should be able to take hold of this, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the vehicle. If you have a hard time, you can also use a plastic trim tool. We're using plastic because we don't want to damage the paint. Okay friends, let's get ready for the installation of our rear tail lamp assembly. Take this and put it in position, making sure that you align all 4 of your mounting studs with the corresponding holes on the vehicle. Once they're aligned, slide it in. With that pressed into place, we'll continue on with all 4 of our 8mm mounting nuts. Start each of them on and then snug them up. With all those in place, let's continue on with our wiring. We'll do the blue connector first. That's towards the outside of the vehicle. Continue on with the next connector, which is located right next to it. And now we'll do the other 2. Double check to make sure that the wiring harness is secured to the body of the vehicle. Double check to make sure everything's secured properly, and then we can continue on with this. To put this in place, it's easiest using a small screwdriver or a trim tool. We just want to lift up on the rubber seal so we can slide this behind it. Now that we've done that, let's continue on with our 2 push clips, making sure that they are unlocked. We'll slide the outer portion into the proper position and then lock it in with the center. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your rear tail lamp assembly. At this point, go ahead and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.